Okay, so you have a DJI Mavic Pro and you need to charge these batteries, but guess what? Your charger hub doesn't work anymore. And so that's where this comes in, the Smatree, S-M-A-Tree, battery charger and 3-channel intelligent charging hub for DJI Mavic. So this is a pretty good product, pretty heavy duty and well made. When you open it, you actually get these all in boxes. With the cords, with this will be separate. So this comes right here. This is, I guess, your transformer. Then you get a box that has this cord in it, and then you've got the hub right here where you can plug your batteries in to each one, and there'll be lights, battery. I'm on 2 right there. Okay, we'll take this USB right here, plug it in, because that is what you charge your remote with. Okay, so let's charge this remote right here as well. Okay, and then we'll take this guy, plug it in here like that, and then we take this end right here and plug it in to this. Okay, you've got your main port here. Here's the transformer. Plug this into some power right now. Okay, should get a red light. Okay, red light. And you get a red light right there as well. Green, green, red means it's charging. So it starts blinking. It will start charging the battery with the least amount of power. And then also if you look at your controller right here, it will start charging as well, 81%. Okay, so this is for the Smatree. It works really good. I've been able to charge 3 different batteries on this before. So let's plug this one in right here. This one's probably full power. But let's plug this in right here. And that starts charging as well. So works pretty good. This is Smatree DJI charger. Charging channel, LED indicators, input port. There's an extra OSB or USB port in case you wanted to charge your phone. You could even do that as well. And there you go. Yeah, pretty good product. And I've been using it for a while now. So check it out.